Nailing the past perfect. No more mistakes. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English grammar series. In today's video, we're tackling the past perfect. It's a critical part of English language conditionals, but often, it's misused or misunderstood. Don't worry, though. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of how to use the past perfect in English correctly. Let's get started. So, what is the past perfect? It's a tense that describes an action that happened before another past action or past point in time. We form it using had plus past participle of the verb. For example, she had left before I arrived. Here, had left is in the past perfect tense, and it occurred before another past action, I arrived. Despite its usefulness, many learners have trouble using the past perfect correctly. One of the most common mistakes is using the simple past instead of the past perfect when the order of past events is important. For instance, I arrived after she left should be, I arrived after she had left. The use of the past perfect, had left, makes it clear that her leaving happened first. Now, let's look at how to avoid these common pitfalls and use the past perfect correctly. Remember, we use past perfect when we want to show that one past event happened before another. So, always look out for those situations. If you need to talk about two past events and it's essential to know which happened first, use past perfect for the first event. For example, instead of saying, I couldn't find her because she left, you should say, I couldn't find her because she had left. Great! Now that we know the rules, it's time for some practice. Always remember that mastering any new grammar point takes practice. Try writing sentences that involve past events and use the past perfect correctly. Then, get a friend or a language partner to check your sentences. For example, you could write, I wasn't hungry at the party because I had eaten before I came. And that's it. You now know how to use the past perfect tense properly. It's one of those things that can really elevate your English writing and speaking once you get it down. So keep practicing and make sure to use it in your everyday English. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. We hope you found this video helpful. Keep practicing, and see you in the next video.